Hello, thanks for tuning in today for the daily message. The first 2 days of Lent, we talked about that it's a joyful season, that it's for the community together, but it's an intimate action of each of us with our God. The second day we said, let's not trivialize Lent. God takes Lent very seriously. He sees it as a wonderful opportunity for us to live up to the dreams that he has for each of us. The next 3 weekdays of Lent, Friday, Monday, and Tuesday, God addresses the aspects of Lent that have been part of our heritage, fasting, almsgiving, and prayer. Today on Friday, he gives us a real message about fasting. And he says, fasting is for you to get yourself in touch with yourself and your own humanity, and to get yourself in touch with other people's humanity, so that by giving up food or drink or the things that might make you full, he wants us to feel a hunger, and he wants us to feel an emptiness, because in that hunger and emptiness, he wants us to identify with the people who are always hungry, whose lives are always empty. And he asks us, when we fast, he says, don't do it in a way to congratulate yourself for this wonderful, difficult thing you've done. Do it to allow you to recognize the people who need to be freed, the people who need their yoke untied, the people who really need the works of justice. So fasting gets us in touch with ourself and our own humanity, but then gets us in touch with other people's humanity and the great agenda of God to make the world a more just place. As we fast today, let's think about that. Thank you.